pretty gang, welcome back to my channel. It's Pretty My, and today I'm installing this HD closure wig, and I'm gonna just let y'all know right now how good this wig is. I have no makeup on this lace, no makeup, no nothing. Stay tuned if y'all are interested in how I install this closure. I will say I'm literally in love with this hair. Of course, my video will include the pricing and the stats on this wig, and down below y'all can find the link to this exact same hair. So without further ado, we're gonna get into the video. Alright y'all, so as y'all saw in the title and the intro, today I'm gonna be working with Wiggins hair. This video is like way overdue. They sent it to my royal apartment in Miami, and I'm just not getting the wig back, and that was in like February, so sorry about that. But this wig is so cute. Let me show y'all. Ooh. So this wig is 28 inches. And like I said, it's from Wiggins hair. It's just so pretty. This is loose deep wave hair. It's a 5x5 closure, so this is not a frontal. And I bleached and plucked it just in case y'all ask. So I don't know how I forgot to tell y'all, but this is also HD lace, or that's what they told me it was. So we're gonna be testing all that today. Look at our party space. I feel like we'll see, but like I really think that this wig cap is kind of a little too visible for my liking. I'm picky about that. I hate that. That looks so like cheap. Yeah, I don't like when you can see the wig cap. That's ugly. So what I'm gonna have to do instead of being lazy is glue down my wig cap. So we'll start there. So when you're gluing down your wig cap, you want to make sure that it's not too wide for the closure or not too small either. So you can see my closure stops directly on both sides. This is going to be enough glue for this width of this closure. But when it comes to closure, you don't want to have like too much wig glue down and then it's showing underneath on the sides of your closure. If y'all know what I mean. While this finished drying, I'm going to go in with my NARS Natural Radiant Foundation, and I'm going to color the rest of the wig because now it's starting to like all the colors up here. Okay, so boom, this is how my cap looking. Now we can put the wig on. So before I glue it down, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the middle part. I just wanna make sure it's like centered. I'm gonna do like really thin layers so they shouldn't take that long to dry. And I think I'm gonna only do 2 layers because I have to take this wig off in literally probably a day or 2. So yeah, if y'all do want like a stronger hold or whatever, you can always do more layers than me. And I'm using my eyelash applicator again. Anybody, if you guys have an eyelash applicator, if you have a metal one, I highly recommend applying your glue with them. I like how I said I'm gonna do thin layers, and then I did this thick layer. But to thin it out, just do like this, you see, and I got all this extra on here now, and then wipe it off. Literally, I do that all the time. Look. Okay, y'all, that's my first layer on. I'm gonna let it air dry, and then we're gonna do the second layer. Okay, so I'm gonna do the second layer the exact same way, literally, and then after this one dries, I'm gonna apply my wig as usual. Okay, since I only did 2 layers, I'm gonna tie this down and make sure it really sticks to the glue, and then I'm gonna be back to untie this. Okay, actually while this is tied down, I'm gonna be doing my hot combing, or I'm gonna start hot combing my part, so I could already have that done. Look how deep down the comb goes and how puffy the hair around it is. We're gonna fix that. I'm gonna make it really flat. Y'all know I love the top of my wigs flat. So I'm gonna actually hot comb both sides in 2 parts, and I'm gonna show you what that means in a second. Okay, so now that we done hot combing, I'm going to untie this. Okay, so they wasn't lying when they said HD. That's number one. Y'all see how this look? I ain't even cut the lace yet. So now we could cut the lace. Okay, if y'all don't know, cut this part off first of your closures. You just don't want that showing. There's only one side cut. It may look a lighter around the edges, but that's just an area that needs more glue. Okay, so now that all that is cut, I'm gonna go back and add glue wherever it's needed. To apply like that little bit of glue, I'm gonna do the end of my rat tail comb. I think before I even hot comb the front up here, I'm gonna take out my baby hairs. I don't know what I want to do for the baby hairs. I was thinking about doing like the short ones that just kind of go to one side, but I think that how this is like shaped and stuff, I think the swoops will look better. But I don't really like swoops. Okay, I don't think the swoops are gonna be that bad because I got like thin baby hairs. Okay, so now that I got my baby hairs out, I'm gonna hot comb this back. I got the hair clip back here because I don't want to get my baby hairs mixed up with regular hair. I might have to do some plucking, but I hope not. And it's not really looking like it, but I love how this side is plugged, so I might have to up this side. I think I'm gonna plug this just a little bit. Okay, I think that looks much more better and even. Now we could finally lay these baby hairs. That's gonna bring this whole look together. So I'm gonna try to do the short ones that I wanted to do in the first place. But if they don't come out good, I'm gonna just do swoops. It's no big deal. Okay, so the baby hairs kind of took a minute because I was trying to figure out how to do it. I do like how they came out. I like how this looks. So I'm happy that I went and tried the shorter ones that I wanted to do. I kind of combined the Gorilla Snot and my curling foam. So what we're going to do now, since the hair just looks so good like this, I think I'm going to just take a little bit of mousse and define these ones just a little bit. But yeah, I don't want to make it look too thin, so I'm gonna take a little bit at a time and kind of work it into the hair. Okay, so this is all the hair to the front, y'all. I swear this is like some thick hair. Give me a second to pull up all the stats and the price and all that good stuff, and I'm gonna let y'all know. Okay, y'all, so on the website, on Wiggins' website, this product is listed under loose deep wave 5x5 lace closure wig, and the price for the exact unit I have in my head is $412. Of course, that does not include like the promo code down below. If y'all check my description box, there's always a promo code. I mean, it is kind of expensive, but you have to remember this is gonna last you a very long time because like 80% of the wig is bundles, and bundles last like literally forever. And I also wear a large cap. I'm not sure if they gave me a large cap, but I wear a large cap usually. Wiggins caps though, speaking from experience, they are naturally like stretchy and big, so It should fit pretty much anybody, but they will never be too big. They always like stretch and form like this one. It feels like tight to your head, so I like that about them. So yeah, that's the price for mine, and that's including the HD lace. If you got one without the HD lace, it would be $388 instead of $412, so you could save a little money that way. And then you could also do like 26 inches instead of 28, and it'd be $353. Okay, listen, save your bag if that's not for you. Like, there's ways to make it cheaper, y'all know what I'm saying. So, but I prefer the HD lace because I don't have to do makeup. The only difference for somebody who didn't do HD, you would have to put makeup probably. So I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna take some pictures and all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram at ITSPrettyNY if y'all want to see behind the scenes pictures and clips of this hair, because I post over there. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in my next one.